In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Fiverr. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Fiverr website, and then you need to make sure you're logged in to your seller dashboard. Now, if you're not already, just click on the switch to selling button in the top right hand side, and then we can click on my business in the top navigation and select earnings. Now from this window, you'll be able to see all of the earnings that you've currently made through Fiverr. If you want to change or add a payment method, just click on the add payout method button, and now you'll have a few different options of which payment method to set up. So just go ahead and select the payment method that you want to use. I'm just going to select PayPal as it's a nice and easy one to set up. Select the currency that you want to be paid in and press continue. And then simply enter your email address associated with that PayPal account. Click on continue. And now all you'll need to do is enter the verification code that will either be text or email to you and press submit. And just like that, we have now successfully linked our PayPal account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.